Okay, here we go. So now I think I'm videotaping. Yes. So our fraction is 9/10. Is our fraction closer to 0, 1/2, or 1? The fraction is 9/10. Let's check our response.
That's the exact same question.
Well, then you got that question twice, didn't you? Let's do it, the next one. Our fraction is 2/11. Is our fraction closer to 0, 1/2, or 1? All right, let's take a look at our responses. Okay, it is closer to 0 because 2 out of 11 is almost like having just a little bit of the total, right? It's not like having half of the total. It's like having just a little bit. So if you're on that one, yep, we're on 0. 0. It is closest to 0. Let's move on to the next one. 17/19. Is that fraction closest to 0, 1/2, or 1? Think of the numerator. Is it about half of the denominator? Is it more than half of the denominator? Or is it less than half of the denominator? Let's take a look. Okay, it is very close to almost having 1 whole. So if your dot is anywhere else, move it on over to 1 whole. Move it on over. Move it on over. Come on, one more. One more. Get it over there. There you go. Okay, let's do the next one. 7 out of 13. Is 7 about half of 13? If 7 is about almost half of 13, then it's close to 1/2, right? If 7 is a lot more than 13, or if 7 is almost the same as 13, then that would be closer to 1. Let's take a look and see what you got. Yes, 1/2. 7 is almost close to half of 13, right? 6.5 would be half of 13. So your dot should be over on the 1/2. Remember to be using this dot respectfully. We're doing math with it. We're not playing with it. So make sure you are doing your math right now with your dot. 3 out of 20. 0, 1/2, or 1. 3 out of 20. Ooh, I've got 15 responses already. 22 of you. Ready? Let's check. Yes, very good. 3 out of 20 is almost close to having, very little bit, not a half. Definitely not a half. Okay, let's look at the next one. 1/16. This one should be super fast and easy because 1 out of 16, if I had 16 cookies and I only got 1, that wouldn't be very much of the total, right? There you go. It's close to 0. You guys are getting it. So I'm going to have some that are adding that are coming up, okay? We're going to be adding, estimating by adding with estimation. Okay, 6 out of 14. 6/14. Is that closest to 0, 1/2, or 1? Got 24 of you responding. I need the rest of you to play along. I've got 24. There we go. Now we've got almost all of you. Yes, it is just about half. You guys are getting it. You're doing very well. Very well. 15. I think that this is the last one. 15 out of 17. Oh yeah, easy. Easy peasy. Got 23 responses. There we go. And it is very close to having almost 1. It's almost 1 whole. It's a little bit less than 1 whole. Okay, so let's move on to adding. So now you've got to round the first fraction, round the second fraction, and then put them together. We've got 15/17 plus 1/16. Is that closest to 0, 1/2, or 1 whole? Round, round, and then add your rounded numbers. Let's take a look. Okay, 15/17 is almost 1. 1/16 is just a tiny little bit more. So it is just about having 1 whole. Very good on that one.
1 plus 0.
Okay, let's look at this one. We have only 2 more problems. 9/10 plus 1/2. What is that closest to if you add the estimates? Got 20 responses. All right, I have 24 of you responding. I need all of you. Everyone's playing. Everyone's playing. A Dawn camera on so I can see you playing. We're at 28 responses. Okay, here we go. Ooh, we're not sure on this one. So 9/10 is close to what? 1 whole, yes.
1 whole.
And then we also have a half in addition
Which
to
is a half.
So you got to move your dot over to 1 and 1/2. 1 plus 1/2. So move it over. Move it over. There you go. Move it over. A couple more of you. Move it over. 1.5. Who's not moving? Move it over. There you go. One more person. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Get it over there. Someone got up to go to the bathroom. All right, we're moving on. Last one, 6/7 plus 1/5. Last one. Ooh, okay. Ooh, let's get it. 6/7 is, yeah, this one's a little harder, huh? 6/7 is almost 1. 1/5 is just a little bit more. So I'm gonna say probably close to 1 whole, right? Because 6/7 is a little bit less than 1. 1/5 is a little bit, adding a little bit more in there. So close to 1 whole. Okay, excellent job. We are finished with that Pear Deck. We're gonna end the session. We are finished with that. Give yourself a big round of applause. I'm gonna stop my recording.